This client was a return client who we actually partnered with for many different areas of her home. But the first day we worked with her, we did her beauty products and makeup. So she works as a blogger, an influencer, and a podcaster, and is gifted a lot of products. She had way more than she even knew what to do with, and she had so much she didn't even really know what categories she had. So we took everything out, categorized, and decluttered. She ended up getting rid of 2 huge trash bags full of products that she would never use, and she kept a great amount of backstock product. We converted one closet that was in her master bath to being completely her backstock beauty product closet. We used bins and baskets that she already had on hand in her home to corral and contain everything. We sorted them by categories and we made labels for it, so it would be really easy for her to shop from her own space. And in her gorgeous vanity and sink, we gave a little bit of a system to under the sink and in the drawers, and we used lids from products that she was sent to be the containment for her makeup drawer, which is a great hack if you don't happen to have drawer inserts on hand. We actually had brought drawer inserts with us, but they were the wrong dimensions. So these box lids ended up being a perfect way for her to have a little bit of a system in there until we found the perfect product for her to end with.